Hey gang, ever see a spreadsheet that looks like this? A list of names, all in caps. Why do people do that? But did you know there's one, not two, but there are actually three different functions that can change case for you very simply, and we're going to go over them right now. The first one is going to be proper case. Proper case is when you have the first letter capitalized, like proper name, and the rest of the letters in lowercase. So in cell D2, what we want to do is make my name proper case. We're going to enter a function, which means we start with an equal sign. We then go and type in the word proper. Proper is a function that will convert what we want into what we want it to be. So what we want to work on is cell A2, and that is my name, and that is the extent of the function. All I need to do at this point is hit enter, and there it is. And let's do something right here. Let's just take this whole area right here, and we're going to make it nice and big so everyone can see. There we go. Perfect. So now, on maybe another point, I'll show you what I just did. That's pretty simple. Anyway, so we just turned it into a proper name. And by the way, as we've talked about on a number of occasions before, the little box right down here, the autofill handle, I can double click, and I can then take the entire list and fill it in. So we wanted to turn that actually, what's in column A, into lowercase. Well, kind of similar, right? Instead of equal proper, we're going to type in equal lower, and we're going to type in the cell reference, which is A2, and now we turn it lowercase, double click, and we have everything in lowercase. And if we needed, although we don't right now, to turn it all into uppercase from lower, yeah, you got it, we're going to start in B2. We're going to type in equal. Got to find it on my keyboard first. We're going to type in upper, and then we will use the reference cell, in this case C2. We don't want to use A2 because that's already uppercase. And voila, it is done. Double click, and now we have taken the entire list and we've turned it into proper case, uppercase, and lowercase. That's it. Simple. Three functions. Hopefully three functions that you'll be able to use, and you can use them in conjunction with other tools and other functions that you have going on in Excel. Enjoy.